Merry Christmas to all my lovely viewers. Raghav Gulati here. The most warmest welcome to Let's Be Informative. I will bring you the most informative videos on the whole YouTube. So before starting the video guys, I would first request you to give me a thumbs up. You can now follow me on Twitter. Link I will provide you in the description. We will enjoy there, we will talk there, and we will really enjoy there. So do join my Discord server, link I will again provide you in the description, and do subscribe my channel with the notification bell to miss my upcoming incredible awesome informative videos. So guys, today we will talk about this adventurous year. Yes guys, we will talk about the top 10 wonderful things happened in the year 2020. So are you guys ready? I'm very excited. So let's get started. So the first wonderful thing, it's been a relatively good year for the animals. Let's see the reason. China. Yes, China finally banned the production of and trade in wildlife for human consumption. France has banned the use of wild animals in circuses as well as in Kenya. The lion population rose 25% from its 2010 numbers, and more than 140 elephants were born in Ambosli National Park. There were just some of the many ways 2020 was kinder to animals. That's a really great thing. So let's come on to the second wonderful thing. Heroes got a new definition this year. So let's come on to the reason. Healthcare workers, sanitation workers, police forces everywhere, airport and airline staff, civic body staff, and every professional class deemed essential during this global crisis personified the word hero. If it was tough time for those who were indoors in quarantine, it was even tougher for all those who were outside, risking their lives every day to ensure the rest of us could live and work comfortably from home. So let's come about the third wonderful thing. Many took this time to reconnect with family, friends, and the neighbors. So let's see the reason. At the time of extended lockdowns, this was an opportunity to spend all the time in the world with a family they had to move away from for their career or other reasons. Parties online reconnected long lost friends. Neighbors went from being strangers to our second family. That's also a great thing. So let's come on to the fourth one. Many of us have new talents and skills hidden in them. So let's come on to the reason. A large chunk of the population used this time to develop new skill sets and nurture hidden talents. Those who could never make time for the gym have emerged fitter. Herbs and other plants flourished thanks to all new home gardeners. The world now has a lot of many chefs, artists, and musicians. Yes guys, I have also started my YouTube in the lockdown only because I got time to think out of the box. So let's come on to the fifth one, work from home. Finally, let's see the reason guys. So with everyone but essential workers working from home since COVID-19 stuck, and an element of risk still involved in stepping out. But companies like Microsoft, Infosys, and Twitter have made the option permanent for their employees, while many other like Google, Facebook, and small businesses have either extended the work from home period till the late next year. So let's come on to the sixth one. It was a good year for LGBTQ rights. So let's see the reason. There were a number of occasions where the rainbow flag flew high with pride. It was a landmark year for the community as many countries legalized gay marriages in 2020, including Northern Ireland, Costa Rica, and Taiwan, the first in Asia to make the progressive move. Then there was a US Supreme Court ruling that held that no person can be fired from a job for being gay or transgender. That's really important and good thing. So let's come on to the seventh one. It was a low carbon pandemic. So let's see the reason. With countries across the globe going into lockdown, industries were shut, flights grounded, and vehicles were off roads, there was a drastic dip in carbon emissions worldwide. Even the UN Environment Programme's emissions gap report points to hope in a green pandemic recovery. We can see that the environment changed a lot This pandemic cleaned the environment as the cars and all the things that cause pollution were on rest. So this was the most important thing. Let's come on to the eighth one. We realized just how important travel is to our life. So let's see the reason. Being able to travel is indeed a privilege, a realization many had in the months they were unable to. From memes to vlogs and op-eds, the internet now is full of odds to travel and resolves to be better, more responsible and conscious travelers going forward. We were of course bored at our homes during lockdown and then finally understood the importance of traveling. So I would say this was a good pandemic. So let's come on to the ninth one. Mental health is now a priority. Let's see the reason. The conversation around mental health is now louder than ever. A large number of companies have understood the need for mental health days and have been giving their employees special days off to recoup. A lot of people suffer depression and a lot of mental problems because of this scary virus. This helps the people to show humanity and to understand the need of to give holidays from office to stay safe and perfect, because at that time the homes were the most important part, the safest place. So let's come on to the last one, the engagement with the nature. So let's see the reason. The kids and even the adults got engaged in the nature. A lot of population helped a lot of animals and show interest in natural activities like bird watching, watching the ants, carrying food in unity and getting information about the new species of birds coming in their area, as the people do not have anything to do in lockdown. Hats off to the schools also who are providing studies online during this pandemic, so the students get engaged in the studies as well as the environment. So that is it for today guys. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. So I will see you in the next one. Please save your environment, stay safe in homes. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.